Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be looking more into the products that I got from the company Pure Evo, and we'll also be looking more into the products from the EV Blue collection. I'll also be telling you guys the price ranges and showing you how well all these products work. So let me know in the comment section below if you're enjoying this content, and without further ado, let's get into it. So I've been using these for a couple of weeks now, and I'm trying to demonstrate to you how wonderful this is. So the glass cleaner itself smells, it doesn't actually have a strong scent, and it works just as well as white vinegar. And the amazing part is it doesn't have the strong smell. I know white vinegar is quite controversial because it's got a strong scent, but this one doesn't, but it works just as well as white vinegar. So I'm really impressed with how well it worked on this glass and this glass mirror. So now I'm going to show you all the other products that were in the box and show you how I've been using them. I want to make sure that every product that I show you guys I have used personally. So this is the sanitizer. This is from the EV Blue. And I love that they take my 3 R's, which is refillable, reusable, and recyclable. And all these products, 500 mils of water is all you need, and you pour them into the spray bottle. Then you pour the sachet inside, which I think is fantastic. And if you run out, you just buy some more sachets. You don't need to buy the plastic bottle again, which is awesome. So I'm now going to show you guys where I've been using it. So as you can see, the shaving socket, I'm not sure if it's 100% clear, but it also needs a little clean and a little bit of sanitizing. So I'm going to use the sanitizer. So what I love about this is it actually cleans as well as it sanitizes. So you can just use it as a sanitizer on its own, or you can clean as well as sanitize, which are what I've been doing on all the areas that I tend to touch. I have towels and stuff. I basically sanitize as well. So on all my light switches, I've been spraying it. And on all the surfaces I touch, even my keys, my key holders and everything, I've been putting it there. And I love that it's a pH level 9, so if anybody's interested in that. And all the sachets and all the boxes are recyclable. So now I'm going to show you my other favorite one. Is the all-purpose cleaner, the Patchouli range. So you don't actually have to have the spray bottles. You can use your own reusable spray bottle. And what I love is the fact that you don't have to purchase that. You can use the ones that you already have at home. You just make sure that you have got the 500 mils of water, and then you just pour inside. So I'm going to be cleaning this fireplace surface, and not only do they work so well, I find that the price range is quite affordable as well. So if you wanted just the sachets, the 12 500 mils of the sachets, you'll be paying about £7.63. That's including VAT. That's only for the sachets. But then if you just wanted the single sachet just to try out, it's £1.44 including the VAT. And if you just wanted the spray bottle on its own, you'll be looking at about £4.99. So they're definitely affordable. And imagine if I was to go to my local supermarket, I was spending £2 or more on a multi-purpose cleaner that is not single use, and I can't recycle the product. And I'll have to go back again at the end of the month to repurchase. But look at how shiny these look. Like it works so well. I wanted to try it again on a different surface. So this karaoke machine is covered in dust. There were builders in the house and doing some redecorating. So this is currently covered in dust. So I'm going to just take off all the dust and try and use this multi-purpose cleaner on this to make sure that it really does do a good job. I want to see the shine, and I want to see all the dust coming off, because sometimes just dusting doesn't take all the dust away. So yeah, honestly, I love these products. Like, I love the fact that even the sachets, you can even put them in a compost. They're compostable, and is that even a word? But yeah, you can put them in a compost, and you can recycle. But if you want more information on that, you can always check the company's website. So I'm now going to spray the multi-purpose cleaner on my microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to work the product onto it. So you just leave it a few minutes onto the surface, and then it just lifts up all the dirt, so which I've found works even like for any marks or dirt around the house. I know I went for something really extreme here, but I just really wanted to show you guys how well it actually works. And I only want to use product that work, and my hands feel amazing. They don't feel chipped or cut like, you know, sometimes when you use other products without wearing gloves, and this doesn't feel like that on my hands at all. So yeah, I'm now working with the company Pure Evo. There's a discount code that I can give you guys at the bottom if you want to purchase any of these products. Just follow the link I'm going to put at the bottom there. And yeah, I love them. I really highly recommend them. So I won't recommend anything that I have not used, and everything that I would have used must work. So this one has worked. Look at how shiny those microphones and that karaoke machine is looking. So now I'm going to show you guys the other product from Pure Evo company. The universal cleaner. This is the universal multi-purpose cleaner, concentrated, and this bottle is actually 1 liter. I'm going to test it out today. So it does say that they're cruelty free and they're vegan, and they're 100% eco clean, and they're probiotic. So you're probably wondering, what does probiotic mean? So it means the ingredients on the inside, once you spray them on your surface, they're able to kill off all the bad bacteria and keep the good bacteria on the surface. So it means we're not over sanitizing, over bleaching, getting rid of all the bacteria, because we need some good bacteria that can be found. But most cleaning products say 99% germs, bacteria dead, and we don't want that. That can lead to other health problems. So my understanding is that the bacteria and the essential oils that are made together are what break down the dirt and the grime, and that's what cleans. But also they stop the bad bacteria from coming, because the good bacteria that is found in the cleaning agent is what's keeping everything clean. So that's my understanding anyway. So this is the Dina, and a price range for the 1 liter bottle, because this is a 1 liter bottle, it's £9.72. Let's see how well it works. So we've mentioned the price range. We've mentioned that it is cruelty free and it's vegan, and you know they're 100% eco clean ingredients, 30% water. It does have some perfume. It does have some preservatives and microorganisms. Shake before use and do not use in combination with other products. So, right, let's have a look. Let's see how well it works. And everything is recyclable, including the plastic cup. So it's got the measuring, so you can measure how much quantity you want to put in. I'm going to mix up this. I've got my own reusable plastic bottle, and I've just given it a quick rinse. I'm going to pour the Dina into here. So I think I'll just use the 10 mils, a bit tight. Okay. I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, so I only chose to do 10 mils just to start off with, because I just want to start off in a very small surface area and then see how well it works. I'm just going to shake it out a bit. It looks like it does bubble. In terms of smell, it does have a little bit of a smell. It's got like a little perfume, a small perfume, but I wouldn't say it's overbearing, or it's okay. Okay, so I'm now going to actually on a cooker, on the knobs of a cooker, and see how well it removes all the grease that is on there. Apologies for the lighting, because it is quite bright. Spray it on. Again, because we're so used to products that form quite a lot, and what I do appreciate is you can see like the grease and all the dust is sliding off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off and see what it looks like underneath and spray it. See how well it removes all the grease. I'm just going to get a paper towel. I'm just going to wipe this off. It looks brand new, doesn't it? It literally does not look like the same thing. I'm really impressed with that. Got a cocktail stick. Look at that. So that's all the dirt that's come off from the So I think I can definitely say it works really well. It's got the power, very effective. Great job. It is looking a lot better than what it did at the start. So I am really impressed with this. It might not have the form, it might not have the scent. Yeah, I definitely highly recommend it. So I'm now going to spray everywhere else and just see how well it's going to make everything sparkle and shine, and honestly it's working so well. Overall, I like to say I'm really impressed with this. Like, look at that. It's shiny and it's looking brand new. It actually almost looks like I've used white vinegar to clean, and I haven't. I love how it leaves no streaks. It just cleans so well. It literally cleans really, really well. I'm really impressed with it. All the dirt. And the other part is my hands. I was using my hands and my hands don't feel, you know, like sometimes when you use products and then like you've got like little chipped skin and stuff like that, they don't feel like that. So that's another thing that I love about the product so far. They don't leave my hands feeling like all rough and like my skin peeling off. So fantastic on that part. And this is what the oven is looking like as well. So I'm really impressed. Like I'm so impressed with this. Even this part, I've cleaned this as well, and it's just sparkling. So I'm gonna take this off. Look at that. It literally looks like something brand new, doesn't it? It looks like it's clean. It's so clean. So I'm really impressed with that. Yeah. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how these products work. And if you are interested in any of these products, please find the link in the description bar, and you can use my discount code that I've also put at the bottom. You can get 10% off. So look forward to more videos of me reviewing other cleaning products. I'm going to be doing a lot more for you guys. I'm also learning, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.